everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Emirates ID in Etisalat. So in order to do it, you first of all have to come on the official website of Etisalat, that is etisalat.ae. Now once you are on this page, you just have to simply hover over to the My Account section and click on Sign In. Now once you do this, you will see the sign in page where you will have to provide your login credentials. Like you need to enter your E and UAE mobile number in order to log in, and you can even log in with the help of your UAE pass. So first of all, you will have to log in into your account, and once you have successfully logged in, you need to hover over to the quick access option, and here you will see the option of mobile registration renewal. So you need to select this option, and then you will be landed on this page where it will show you all of the accounts that you can basically renew. So select the one which you want to renew and press continue in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to simply follow further on-screen instructions, and this way you will be able to easily renew your Emirates ID with Etisalat. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.